Okay, what is up? Welcome to this video. Welcome to another massive, powerful, super episode right here on this channel. So in this video, we are going to look at object relational mapping in Python, bridging code, and also databases. ORM, which is object relational mapping, transforms database data into Python objects, creating a virtual object database that eliminates the need for raw SQL queries. This abstraction layer maps Python classes to database tables and converts between incompatible type systems, making database interactions more intuitive and Pythonic. So why use ORM? What are the benefits and implementations? So the key advantages is that pure Python database operations without SQL is a benefit and a key advantage, where you're able to also maintain dry principles in your code. Another key advantage is database agnostic across different engines, and then also protection against SQL injection. It also has a Pythonic syntax where code with familiar Python constructs instead of switching paradigms. So there's also database flexibility where you can easily switch between SQLite, PostgreSQL, and MySQL. SQLAlchemy's user.create method replaces lengthy SQL code, while Django's ORMs user.object.filter age__GT_21 simplifies complex queries. So that's it for this video on why you should use ORM. Thank you once again. Do well to ask any questions of things you don't understand in the comment section.